In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily know if someone blocked you on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. As you can see, now I'm on Telegram on two of my devices. On each of devices we have opened the same conversation but from different accounts. As you can see, now none of these accounts are blocked by each other, and I can tap right here at the conversation's name and it shows me users, avatar and online status. And now I'm gonna block myself from that user's profile. Just let me find how to do that on Android. Here it is. I can tap at block and then we can refresh it. I think I need to relaunch the app. As you can see, now if I tap right here, the profile picture of the user that blocked us is now hidden for us, and also we can't get access to their online status. It says last seen a long time ago, but you see that the particular account is now online. So in the same way, I can unblock myself, and then if we relaunch the app, we'll see the difference. Now you know how it works. That's how you can easily see if someone blocked you on Telegram.